Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Scott with Scott Talks Investing. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I just kind of want to walk you through how to use MetaMask, what it means to switch your network that you're using for each particular website. So I'm going to run through 5 different examples on just kind of how to interact with your MetaMask wallet. So here we are on Cronos .finance/app. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to connect our wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get an error message. So this error message is letting us know that we are on the wrong network. Now that network basically means the Cronos chain, Cronos network, Ethereum mainnet. We have the Binance Smart Chain. We also have the Avalanche chain or Avax. So there's a multitude and there's more than that, but for the sake of this video, I want to walk through some of those. So we're getting this error message and it doesn't really tell us what to do. What we're going to need to do is we're going to jump up to our MetaMask browser extension. If you do not yet have this installed on your Chrome browser, there's a link in the description below showing you how to do so. So what we're going to do is we're now going to connect whatever wallet we'd like to connect. So as you can see, I have 2 different wallets here on my MetaMask. I'm going to select connect here. And we are still on the wrong chain. So I need to switch my chain. So I click this drop down menu. I'm going to select the Cronos chain. And I'm going to select connect wallet. So as you can see here, my wallet has been connected to my cronodes.finance/app website. All right, so pretty self-explanatory there. If you do not have the appropriate network, you'll need to select the drop down here and select add network. There's also a video in the description showing you how to do that as well. But let's go ahead and jump to the next one. So let's go ahead and jump over to Drip network. As you can see here, it's asking me to connect my wallet. So I'm gonna go to the top right hand corner, select connect wallet. And in this one, you can select wallet connect, Binance Chain wallet, or MetaMask. I'm just gonna use MetaMask. And here we go. We get another error message saying we're incorrect network. Please connect to the BSC mainnet. So again, clicking on this icon, we're going to click from the drop-down menu and we're going to select Smart Chain. As you can see now, we are again back to the same scenario. Connect wallet, MetaMask, and now you can see that wallet's been appropriately connected. So then you can interact with the website. It's going to read your wallet. It's going to read whatever you have in your wallet. This is a second account of mine, but you can see that I have very little drip in this particular wallet. And that gives you access to utilize the website with those funds. All right, and so jumping over to another chain, we're going to jump to the Avalanche chain. And what do we see again, right? Since our current wallet is under the Binance Smart Chain network because of drip, when we jump back over to Splassive is on the Avax network. Now again, you see this little one up here. Some websites will ask you if you would like to switch your network without they'll do it preemptively. They'll just ask you when you come to their website if you'd like to connect. Word of caution, if you do not know the website, or if you do not trust the website, or if you have not really interacted with it much, I would be very hesitant to connect to just random sites. However, I do trust splassive.com and I've used it and I've had no issues myself. So if you see this little one, go ahead and give it a click. And this is just asking if you'd like to change from Smart Chain network to the Avalanche network. So I'm just going to go ahead and select switch. And now you can see that I've switched to the Avalanche network and that my wallet is now connected to the Splassive network or splassive.com. All right, I think you should be getting this now, but I'm going to go through just a couple more. All right, so going back to the Binance Smart Chain, it's giving us incorrect network. Go ahead and click it, connect wallet. We're going to select MetaMask, and we have this still error message. So again, going back up here, we just want to switch from our Avalanche network to our what I call Smart Chain, but Binance Smart Chain. So there you go. So now you can see that I'm again connected to my wallet to pistontoken.com. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Here's my diamond team. It's already connected. So if I want to make sure, so this is what I was talking about earlier with the being preemptively asked. Sometimes if you switch off of networks from particular websites, so like Splasive is on the Avax network, we switched it back to Smart Chain. It's now asking us to switch back to Splasive to connect again, but I don't want to do that right now because I'd like to stay on my diamond team in the Smart Chain network. All right, and that pretty much sums it up. Thanks for taking a look. As always, please leave any comments or questions down below. I'm happy to help where I can, and I truly appreciate you stopping by. Thanks, and hope to see you soon.